DataRobot allows you to deliver real-world generative AI solutions with confidence. Today's highlighted solution is writing personalized denial letters. This could be used by financial institutions, educational institutions, or employers. If a loan applicant, a job applicant, or a school applicant must be rejected, they will want to know why and what they could do to improve their chances. In the loan industry in the U.S., this isn't optional. Lenders must provide an explanation for their decision. This diagram shows a predictive AI model making approval and rejection recommendations. Importantly, all DataRobot predictive AI models include prediction explanations that provide the rationale for each prediction. Those explanations come out in the language of numbers and math, and must be converted to sentences and compiled into a sincere letter. That's the job of the generative AI model. It receives the application details and the prediction explanations and writes a personalized letter with a positive tone and helpful suggestions. The demonstration that follows shows the process of prototyping the solution in a DataRobot hosted notebook. After prototyping, this work would then be integrated with other enterprise systems. In the demonstration, you'll see a batch scoring job for a group of loan applicants. After the rejected applicants are filtered out, you'll see the denial letter being written for one of those applicants based on the prediction explanations. While we only show one letter being written, the process would be repeated for each rejected applicant, and each letter would be different.
We start by installing the required libraries. Here is our loan default prediction model, along with its deployment and the inference dataset. Using the batch prediction job, we'll get the predictions and prediction explanations. And now we will filter out the rejected applications. Setting up our large language model settings. Next, we initialize our LLM object along with the prompt template. The prompt template makes the LLM use prediction explanations and output an email for the customer. Here is the function to format our prediction explanations for the LLM. Let us look at the output. This particular applicant's request was rejected because of the following reasons as indicated by the prediction explanations. The generative AI model was able to provide targeted recommendations like credit card utilization in the customer response email.
With a platform approach, you can confidently build valuable and safe generative AI applications at enterprise scale. At DataRobot, our open, extensible platform helps you build quickly and operate securely to bring your generative AI solutions to life. Learn more at datarobot.com/platform/generative AI, where you can also request a personalized demonstration or sign up for a free trial.